Look around the homepage and learn how to search document types so you can start design. With Canva, you can design anything. There are thousands of professional designs to get you started, or anything you need. You can explore design templates in a few ways. Start by typing keywords in the search bar. Browse by document type, or scroll down the page and be inspired by our professionally designed templates. If you'd like to create something from scratch, click the plus symbol to enter custom dimensions. The Designs tab keeps all the designs you create for easy finding. In the Menu tab, you can find designs shared with you by others in your team, and access folders filled with designs, content, and ideas, keeping your projects organized. Tap Home to return to Canva's homepage, where it's easy for you to start and design anything. Learn how to add a template and design ingredients to kickstart your. By tapping the plus button, you can add any element to your design. In the Templates tab, there are thousands of professional designs to get you started. Upload your own photos or videos from your phone's photo gallery in the Uploads tab. Just like this. Browse millions of premium stock photos, videos, and music from our library. To search, type keywords to clue what you're looking for. Tap a photo and add to your design. In the Elements tab, you'll find illustrations, animated stickers, shapes, charts, and graphics. Search in exactly the same way. There's so much to explore. To create your first design, start from scratch or choose a template. Tap to add it to your page. To add a page, just swipe left. View your pages as thumbnails for easy finding. Everything is customizable. Select the object you want to change, and a toolbar will appear below. You can add or completely replace elements in whichever way you choose to express your creativity. Just how easy editing from your phone can be. We'll modify text, search fonts, and change colors. To begin editing, select an object on your page. A toolbar will appear below. Here, you can replace objects, modify styles, add effects, and more. Let's start with text. Tap to edit, type in your message. Then use the toolbar to search our library of fonts. Change text size, alignment, or spacing. Change colors by selecting an element, then the color tile below. Change to any color imaginable using the Spectrum tool. Or paste a hex code to find the exact color you're after. Align, evenly space, or layer with the Position button. To select multiple objects, tap and hold till you see this pop up. Then select another element. Group elements for easy moving around your page and resize elements using these handles. To animate your design, select the background, tap Animate, and choose your animation style. Pinch to zoom for a closer look at your design. You can rotate objects using the Rotate button, or flip in the bottom menu. And at any point, if you need to undo an action, just click the back arrow. There you have it. Editing made easy with the world. We'll take a look at how you can save, share, comment, download, or even professionally print your design with Canva. Your design saves automatically every time you make a change. You can also manually save your design. Share designs with your friends or teammates. Enter their email or send them a link. Give permission to view or edit your design. Invite them to comment or collaborate on your design. Select an object to add a comment and tag them to receive a notification. View all comments from the Overflow menu. Just tap the 3 dots here and you'll never miss feedback. Once your design is complete, you can quickly download and save to the photo gallery on your device. To print, publish, or share directly to social, click the Publish button in the top menu. Now, it's your turn. Time to get designing. To learn more, visit